Yeah, hello friends, and this is Sunil Pawar, and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see a performance of the demo call. Last expiry, the expiry on 24th of December, I had given expiry demo call. This is the video in which you can see the demo call given on 24th of December. Actually, this demo call was given one day before. So it was given on 23rd of night for 24th of December. This is my YouTube channel Sunil Suklal Pawar. You can search Sunil Pawar in YouTube, Sunil Pawar share market, Sunil Pawar options, Sunil Pawar equity, and you will get this channel. It's very easy to find out this channel on YouTube. Currently there are 16,000 subscribers are there, and the speciality, the unique approach of this channel is this channel only gives calls. If you see here, you will find hundreds of the videos, but in each video you will directly see the call given. So these are all the calls given. These are all the calls given and their performance, calls and performance. You will see the call and its performance, nothing else. So in all other YouTube channels you will find lot of unwanted things, but they will not give you the calls. Here in this channel you will find only the calls and nothing else. So this is something unique about this channel. And then there is Telegram channel. On this YouTube channel, this was the demo call that was given through this video, and this is Telegram channel. On Telegram you need to search Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King, you need to search. You can see 3,500 subscribers there also. You need to search Sunil Pawar Option King, then you check my profile pic and then check 3,500 subscribers. On Telegram there are some fake people who have created channels under my name, so you need to be cautious while joining Telegram channel. You just check my profile pic, and the title of the channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst, and the ID is Sunil Pawar Option King. The link is Sunil Pawar Option King. So you can join this channel where you will get demo calls. Again, this channel, here again in this channel you will find only the demo calls and the performance of my paid services. So this demo call you can see here, this is the demo call. This is the demo call that was given on 24th of December, but it was given on 8:41 PM 23rd of December. So this call was given. So I will tell you the performance of this demo call. Capital has tripled. Capital has tripled in this demo call. How? Nifty call 13,600 crossed entry price of 61 and then almost tripled. Bank Nifty called 29,900 crossed entry price of 186.05 and then tripled. So these calls were given on 23rd of night, and on 24th of December after 9:15 Nifty call crossed the entry price, Bank Nifty call crossed the entry price, and both almost tripled. Bank Nifty call tripled, Nifty call almost tripled. Nifty put 13,600 did not cross the entry price of 55, hence there is no entry, no trade. Bank Nifty put 29,900 did not cross 181.88 the entry price, and that's why there is no trade, no entry. So Bank Nifty call 13,600, entry price was 61.18. Bank Nifty call 29,900, entry price was 186.05. We can see the performance. This is the chart of Nifty call 13,600. You can see here. You can see 13,600. It opened at 56. Then entry price was 61 point something. So here it crossed the entry price, doubled. You can see here it doubled. Then again it came back to the entry price, then hit the target, came back to the entry price, and then again double tripled. So 3 times in a day it came to the entry price. 3 times in a day it came to the entry price, and all 3 times it has given the target. First time it given target doubled, second time it only given the target, third time it given the target and almost tripled from 61 to 171. So this is the performance. You can check the chart also. And then about Bank Nifty called 29,900. We can see it opened at 165.25. Open is 165. Entry was 186. Entry was 186. Nifty call entry was 61.18. So 186 was the entry, and then it made a high of 665. As per our rule, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. So as per that system, money has tripled in Bank Nifty call. Here you can see 9:15 it was entry, then target was hit within 2 hours, then it never came back to the entry price, and by 3 p.m. it was 660, almost tripled from the entry price. So friends, this is the performance of the demo call which I had given. You can join this Telegram channels and YouTube channels so that you get such demo calls every week, and also share these channels with all of your friends so that they also take benefit of these calls and this knowledge and these updates. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.